how to change Xfinity Now network name and password. Now, what you're gonna have to do, since you won't be able to do this in the app, is you're gonna go into any preferred browser, and in our case, it's something like this. Go ahead and type in HTTP, then those little symbols, and then 10.0.0.1, and then a little slash. And then you're gonna go ahead and press on enter. This will only work if you are also connected to your Wi-Fi, so make sure that's the case as well. So you're gonna have to log in first. So if it is your first time logging into the gateway, you're gonna have to put in the username and password you've set. And if not, you can always just go ahead and put in admin for the username, and then for the password, it's just password. But if you can't access your Xfinity gateway, then unfortunately you're gonna have to factory reset the router itself. But once you're logged in, you'll be able to see something like this. It's a little dashboard. So you're gonna go ahead and navigate yourself here on the left side, and then press on connection. Inside connection, you will be able to see the Wi-Fi option, and once you press on Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see the Wi-Fi connection in the routers. You have the name for the 2.4 and then 5 gigahertz frequency band. And if you want to go ahead and change its name and password, just go ahead and press on the edit option for whichever network you want. So if you want to change your 2.4 gigahertz network, press on edit over here. You'll have the option to change your name and then its password. And for the 5 gigahertz, it's pretty much the same process as the 2.4 gigahertz. But this is pretty much where you change your network and password for your Xfinity Now network. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.